Hi guys, Ashish this side. So in this video, I'll show you how you can import the data from text file in a Power Query. Let's open the Excel. You need to go to the Data tab. We have an option from Text and CSV. Once I click on that, it will ask me to give me the path of file. Suppose I have a file saved on a desktop working folder and reports. This is my 2002 to 2003 report, and I want to import this into a Excel file. I'll just click on a import button and Power Query window will open up. It will show me the option of a load and transform the data. It will take some time depending on the data. So we have the data. If I want to transform anything, then I need to click on a transform the data. And if I want to simply load the data into Excel, I can simply click on the load. Let's click on a transform data to see how much transformation has done automatically by Power Query. Okay, this is the Power Query interface. As you can see, these three steps is automatically done by the Power Query. Click on a source file. You can see that the column name is mentioned over there. It's understood by a Power Query that column name is different than a Excel file. In promoted headers, Power Query automatically remove the column name and taken from the data. Power Query has automatically changed data type. We'll see in the next videos how we can do that. I'll simply close and load into the Excel file. Now you can see my data is loaded into a Excel file. That's how you can import the data from TXT file. The beauty of Power Query is that you don't need to update again and again. Suppose you have received a new data from an organization. For updating the new data, I'll simply go to my folder. Suppose I want to keep this data as well, and my new data is in this. I'll simply copy paste it. I'll go to that where I'm fetching my data. I'll simply go in the end. I'll paste the data. Please note I have not refreshed any data as of now. I'll check how many data we had earlier, 594. We also need to check how many data currently we have received in a new file. I'll close this file. We just need to go to the query tab. I'll simply click the refresh button. I'll check if the new data has been updated or not. I'll skip out the blanks. Earlier we had 594 data, now we have 890 data. Suppose you deleted some row by mistake and you want the original data to be back. So you don't need to go back to again. Just go to simply query tab, 861. Earlier we had around 890 data, so some data points has been deleted. I'll just simply click on a refresh button and you'll see you can see that original data is back with the 890. So this is basically automation where you can automate the report from a TXT file if you are getting some data in a TXT file. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.